I don't know about you, but I didn't think about rhythm.
No.
I didn't think about harmony. I didn't think about this kind of drama, so it's really gratifying. You know, you all brought to life something that we never could have done on our own.
Someone can just stand there and tell you about it, and that's one thing, and you can feel empathy. But when you get the emotions from the text being set to music and melodic and harmonic lines, it really helps you to understand it all the better and to be able to empathize more.
The music and the direction of Maestro allowed him to feel, to give, and that's important to me.
Where's my watch that I lost?
He points at us, all angry.
He grabs the extension cord and beats us up. What for?
And when it got to my part, I was really feeling vulnerable. And I had never felt that as I was trying to learn my part. But the vulnerability that comes with the entire piece, it's groundbreaking.
I didn't know about the other side of the streets. You know what I'm saying? The downside, the murders.
Bam, bam, bam!
It took me back to when I was in the projects and was getting those sounds. I mean, daily, every day, you know what I mean? So, like Calvin said, it is emotional and it does take you back.
I still love and care for my father and for hot dogs.
You know, as performers, our job is to try to give that emotion to the audience so that they can feel it too. And it was nice for you to come up after and say, oh, the honesty in your voice, you know, and that's my job.
And your words, your music, your harmony, your thinking, your intellect, your expressions, the way that you express yourself, your postures and character, all of it has an effect in a play and giving to your audience.
When I open my Choral, I find the anger poisoning me.
I choose instead to look inside and find my way to a brighter life. This change is an inside job.
I got
I need to find my way. I'm gonna make the best of this my second chance.
It inspired me to go back on Monday to my classroom and look at those kids in a different way so that I can try to be the start of a change in somebody's life.
I choose instead to look deep inside for a change and find my way to a brighter life with a change. For this my second chance at life, I'm gonna